Please read. Indo.
Indo-Nepal remittance is a one-way remittance from India to Nepal by the Nepali citizens working in India through NEFT up to a ceiling of rupees 2 lakh, only for account holders with no cap on the number of remittances in a year per remittance.
Continue.
Indo-Nepal remittance is a one-way remittance from India.
No, that is okay. That is over. Now read interest-free deposit accounts.
Interest-free deposit accounts are exempted from the usual stipulations of current account, such as maintenance of minimum balance, payment of service charges, etc. However, where the withdrawals in such accounts exceed 40 per year, service charges as applicable to SB account should be charged.
I don't know where there are interest-free deposit accounts. I'm not sure about it. In your bank, if there are such schemes, please get to know about it. Continue.
Whenever bank is transferring to a stressed loan, no fresh exposure shall be taken on the borrower till 24 months from the date of such transfer.
Continue.
If a credit card has not been used for a period of more than 1 year, the process to close the card will be initiated after intimating the cardholder. If no reply is received from the cardholder within a period of 30 days, the card account will be closed subject to payment of all dues by the cardholder.
Very good. Continue.
Fees payable to advocates for original applications filed before DRT in Hyderabad for suit amount of rupees 20 lakh. That fees is rupees 25,000.
Continue.
Bank shall compute RAROC for all the corporate, MSME, agricultural proposals having aggregate exposure to counterparty of above rupees 7.5 crore.
Okay. Continue.
Guidelines are applicable for all types of housing loans and finance to builders of rupees 1 crore and above, and confirmation from the borrowers, architects or structural engineers as to the approval of the plan by the competent local authorities and adherence to the specification of NBC or NDMA guidelines.
Continue.
All the registers in the case of advances should be preserved for 10 years from the date of closure of last outstanding account, and in the case of deposits from the date of last operation in the last outstanding account.
Continue.
CR files. Whether the matter is a subject of any dispute or litigation to be preserved for 20 years from the date of final disposal of the dispute or litigation.
Next.
Department of Public Enterprises guidelines on CSR prefers implementation of CSR in project mode and recommends embarking of 80% of the annual budget for activities in project mode.
Earmarking. Please read that again. Department of
Public Enterprises guidelines on CSR prefers implementation of CSR in project mode and recommends earmarking of 80% on the annual budget for activities in project mode.
Continue.
External due diligence charges for Acumen Business Consultancy Private Limited for loan having exposure above rupees 10,000 crore.
Hey Baba, such a huge amount. Continue. Bank products.
Bank products to be given to appropriate customer as per his choice, that right to suitability.
Okay, continue.
A note of which a portion is missing or which is composed of more than 2 pieces are known as mutilated note.
Good. Continue.
AHIDF scheme repayment holiday of 2 years on principal amount.
Okay, next.
Under Surface C, on confirming the sale, the purchaser has to deposit 25% of the sale price immediately with the authorized officer either on the same day or the next working day.
25%. Supposing one buyer is buying for 100 crore, he must deposit 25 crore on the same day or on the next day. Please read this next one.
TLTRO full form. Targeted long-term repo operations.
Repeat.
TLTRO full form is targeted long-term repo operations.
Very good. Next.
Type of NPA accounts to be considered for technical write-off. Account classified as doubtful assets more than 3 years.
That is D3. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I will stop this now.